restart the camera because it only does 5 minutes of recording on the VR camera, so I had to start that up again. So anyway, so long as it's a nice sort of simple contrast between the drone and the ground, which it will be when we go to, let's say, a nice parking lot. So we'll do that tomorrow maybe. It might work over there, but if you do it like on a complicated variation of terrain, it will sort of get confused. Eventually they'll get around to fixing that because they've been fixing so many things. The Hubsan people have been doing some amazing stuff. Anyway, it's super dangerous, but it's okay because I am a certified dummy, and therefore I could do this all day long. It took me 40 years to become a certified dummy. To prove without a smidgen of a doubt, beyond the shadow of a doubt, that I am a complete dummy. So anyway, let's see if it's worth it. Ooh, wow. That DJI Mini is unbelievable. It is so amazingly quiet and also precise. So let's go check out that poor flagpole, which is flagless right now. What a sad occurrence. To be honest, I don't really want to know why it's missing. I'm just sad that it is missing. What's going on? So let's go and take a little tour of the flag, as you can do with the DJI Mini. This version unfortunately did not come with obstacle avoidance, so I will have to be the obstacle avoidance in this case, which is not the greatest. Not the greatest. But it's okay. We will be able to live to fight another day. Oh, it looks like there's a helicopter up there. Let's see. Can we film it? I know it's there. Am I turning too slowly to see it? It's up there somewhere. Did we lose it? Is it already too far down? We should be able to see it. I just don't know what's going on. Is it too far away? Down, up. I don't know. It should be there. You can hear it as it makes its way far, far into the distance. Anyway, look. You can take a look at the cool cameras and stuff on the poles. And let's make our way back here real quick. Oh, let's see where that infernal Pesky reviewer is. Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh. Be afraid, be very afraid. Oh my gosh. I don't have my hoodie today. I think I might have a hoodie back here. Oh, I have a hoodie. Let's put that hoodie on. Let's put that hoodie on. It makes me look extra sus, doesn't it? It makes me look extra sus. Oh, look at that. He looks so suspicious. Wait. Quick. Put him in the fry your brains in the rest of your body lane at the airport, because that's what we want to do to this poor guy here. I mean, this poor guy. That's why I don't travel anymore. Is it really him? I don't know. Let's see. If he takes off his hoodie, is it really him? No, it's just your imagination. Figments. Anyhow, we're gonna zoom out. Look how far I am. I'm like a little dot, and yet. Anyway, so let's go have a little traveling adventure. Let's come over